Meetunger here. Today we're doing a noise video on the PS1, 3 and 5. Please be aware that some of the scenes you're about to see may be crackly because of the microphone. Try to forget it, but I'll try to limit this as much as possible. So first of all, we're going to start with the PS1. This is the PS1 startup noise. PS1 with an open disc. PS1 with a disc. This is the PS3 startup. This is the PS3 with a disc. This is the PS5 fan noise on startup. PS5 inserting a disc noise. Do note the game may sound quite loud for a few seconds, but it does quieten down. Game in play.